O you who believe. Avoid most suspicion, some suspicion is sinful. And do not spy on one another, nor backbite one another. Would any of you like to eat the flesh of his dead brother? You would detest it. So remain mindful of God. God is most relenting, most merciful.
أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Before we begin the new lesson today, I request all of you to be more serious, try to develop the habit of talking in English. The day you are determined not to talk except in English, you will see a very vivid change in your behavior, in your communication skills. For that now, I'm writing a few words over here. The first word is what? The next word is whom, or when we ask question, it is always who. And the next one, it is where. The next one is when. Then there is how, and the last one is what. Format number 1, it was who, then there was V1. This was our format number 1. And format number 2, it was who, will, and V1. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
I will be calling you one by one at the dais. What you have to do, you have to think about your routine, your activities, your likes and dislikes, your actions, now at different places, in different areas, in different situations. And what you have to talk like that, I'm giving example now. You the people who will be sitting over there, and the one who is there at the dais, he shall narrate. I'm sure your concept of narration is clear now.
Yes, yes.
The person who is there at the dais, what will he do? He will narrate your statement or your sentences or your talk. See, I teach English. I teach what? I teach English, and I will teach English in this period. I speak English and I will speak English in this period. You learn English over here. You learn English. And what will you do today? You will learn English. Clear? You learn English and you will learn English. You don't talk in Punjabi. We did it, no? You don't talk in Punjabi and you won't talk in Punjabi in today's period. Over here, that was the second, you can say that was addition. I don't, and then there was V1. No, over here it will be won't. The short form of will not is
won't.
Very good. This is called contraction. Contraction, when we convert two words into one, when there is conversion of two into one, that is called contraction. So this is contraction. I do not, my friend does not. I don't, my friend doesn't. Clear? And this is won't. No. I explain the lesson and I will explain the lesson. I request the students now to come at the dais, and I will request the student now to do the same. Clear? Let me know whether you understood now the point. Assignment is clear?
Yes.
For example, before I call you, Ji, what do you do and what will you do at Sela? Let's begin from this place. Then we will move forward. I will take you to the home. I will take you now to some of your offices, to the market, to the parks. Now then we will visit different situations. Now Ji, please.
I speak English and I will speak English in the syllabus.
Very good. You speak English and you will speak English at Silla. आप English बोलते हो और आप सर English बोलोगे. बहुत है. Sir.
I learn English at Silla.
Very good. You learn English and you will learn English at Silla. Please, you got some idea. Wait. Ji.
I listen.
I think about miswak and I will think about miswak. मैं मिसवाक के बारे में सोचता हूँ और मिसवाक के बारे में सोचूंगा. ये गलत लिखा है. हाँ नहीं रसीद नहीं जानता मैं तुम्हें बता ले. हाँ नहीं प्लीज हरिए बेटा हरिए पढ़िए नहीं टाइम का नहीं इतना. जी वेरी गुड. I come to. You're sitting over here. You would say I come to Silla and I will come to Silla. If you are outside Silla, you would say I go to Silla and I will go to Silla. What's clear? Clear?
Sir, I explore ideas at Silla and I will explore.
Excellent. Ji.
I gain knowledge at Silla and will gain the knowledge.
Very good. You gain knowledge now over here, now in the company of your friends, and you will gain knowledge. Okay. Gentlemen, you left.
I ask question.
Okay.
I will ask question at Silla.
Very good. You ask question and you will ask question. I ask question.
It is the answer of Sir.
That was my point of view. Know that about. I was talking about miswak and all.
Yeah.
Toothbrush.
I said the I was the
Very good. You study and you will study. Very good. You learn English and you will do the same. Clear? Gentlemen, how are you? How are you? Before we narrate, no, it's better not to ask him the question. Please ask him the question, not open session, no, ask him the question. What's your name, sir?
Abdul Majid
Okay. So basically, where are you from?
from Pilovans.
You're from Pilovans, no? Any three qualities of Pilovans, no? Three characteristics, no?
First one is the education,
Okay.
second one is the educational environment,
Very good.
and third one is the
Hurry up.
reputation for education.
Beautiful. No doubt. And I know so many people from Pilovans. Really, you are very lucky. Where there is education, there are manners, there is etiquette, again there is a love, there is a peace, each and everything is there. These are the three qualities. Please ask him the question. Before,
What's your father's name?
what's your father's
My
name?
father name is Muhammad Khan.
My father's name, what's the mistake?
May I have your father?
No, that's okay. I'm talking about brothers now. My father's name, what's the mistake?
Father's
Very good. My father's name. The name of my father or my father's
Father's
name.
name.
Okay. Please.
where he lives nowadays.
Very good. Where does he live? Or
No.
where is he living nowadays? Ji.
Nowadays he is living at home.
Very good. He stays at home 24 hours.
Yes, sir.
No. It can be. Please, question.
What is your future plan?
Very good. What's your future
My
plan?
future plan is become a lecturer
Very good. Your future planning is to become a lecturer, so that you
In
can
English.
teach the students at college level or at the university level. Please.
What's your qualification?
Very good. What's your qualification?
master in English
You have done your master in English from
University of Sargodha.
the University of Sargodha. Please. Anything which you miss of the Sargodha University, please. You spent some time over there, no?
One thing in master in English, there is no chapter of any grammar or speaking courses.
Oh, beautiful.
After joining the Silla, my feeling is that we can learn English, we can speak.
Okay. So this is your feeling now that this
Yes,
is
sir.
possible. You play cricket and you will play it. You eat food and you will eat it. No, you speak English and you will speak it.
I learn English and I learn it.
And I will learn it. I learn English and I will learn it. What's clear? I read the newspaper and I will read it. I attend my office and I will attend it. I will attend it. I watch English movies and I will watch
It.
Then
Very good. No? Again, I give the reference from the Holy Quran and I will give
reference
from it.
from it.
Very good. Or, because there are two things are there. So you can, and I will do the same. And I will do the same. Or you can say, I will do so. And I will do so. So different ideas are there. As the time passes, you will learn, inshallah. So you play cricket and you will play it. Ji, what does he say?
Mr. Mohsin says that he plays cricket and he will play cricket.
He will play it.
Play it.
Mr. Mohsin says that he plays cricket and he will play it.
Boot. Boot.
Clear हो गई? आप कहना truth,
Truth.
truth,
Truth.
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 जरा तुसी आको
Truth.
इतनी सी बात. अब गलती नहीं होनी चाहिए. Truth. जी, you speak the truth, okay?
I will do the same.
Very good. You speak the truth and you will do the same. आप सच बोलते हैं और आप झूठ करेंगे. जी.
Mr. Rizwan tells us that he speaks truth and he will do same.
He will do the same, the same, the same. He will do the same. No, Mr. Rizwan tells us that he speaks the truth and he will do the same. He tells us that he offers prayers and he will do the same. Clear?
Yes, sir.
He offers prayers and we can say and we can guess and we can judge, or when we can give a statement, we can opine that he will offer those prayers. He will offer those prayers. He will offer the Maghrib prayers. He will offer the Isha prayers. And he will offer the Fajr prayers. Now, during next 23 hours. Ji, please.
I want it. I will watch it.
Very good. You watch TV and you will watch it. Very good.
Mr. Singh tells us that he watches TV and he will do the same.
See, brother. He watch. Is it correct? He watch. He watches. He teaches. He reaches. He fetches. He preaches. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Muhammad Shaheen tells us that he watches TV and he will watch it. And he will watch different programs. And he will watch his favorite talk show. And he will watch his favorite TV channel. Clear?
Yes.
And he will change the channels. And he will use the remote. No, TV remote, no? Clear?
Remote.
What did you do and what will you do?
I visit Sila.
Okay.
I will do the same.
Very good. No. Mr. Akib Javed.
Mr. Akib Javed tells us that he visits the Sila and he will visit it.
Very good. And he will visit it. Very good. Yeah. Very good. You recite the Holy Quran and you will recite it. You recite the Holy Quran and you will recite chapter number 2 today. Clear? Or you will recite chapter number 3 tomorrow. And you recite the Holy Quran and you will recite it with translation now. With proper understanding. Ji. And I will recite it.
Tells us that he recites the Holy Quran and he will do the same.
Very good. No, he will do the same. And he will recite it. Ji.
I help the poor and I will help them.
अच्छा एक मैं सभी दोस्तों से पूछूं मुझे बताने ये रशीद से गलती हुई है इन्होंने कहा the poor
The poor.
हाँ एक बेटा याद है कि बात the poor I help the poor I help the needy clear जी Mr. Rashid
Mr. Rashid tells us that he helps the poor and he will help the poor.
And he will help them.
Help them.
Mr. Rashid says that he helps the poor and he will help them.
Help them.
ये गरीबों की मदद करते हैं ये गरीबों की मदद करेंगे जी
I work hard to learn English and I will do so.
Very good, very good. No, you are with your friends and your friends are educated, literate, no? What? Literate. Literate mean. Literate. You have no literate friends. What will you do? You request them now to converse in English because you're lawyers and now it will be very useful for them as well. And your friends are there, class fellows are there, and even your students, no, that is English medium school. And if you are determined, if you make them realize, no, not to converse except in English, you will see a change in your behavior and in the behavior of theirs. It's a matter of 1 month, Maxi. So you do. I remember that.
I do smart work.
Very good. You do smart work and you will do the same. Very good. Mr. Riaz.
Ziyas tells us that he was smart one
And he will do the same.
and he will
Ji.
do this.
I cast a vote and I will do the same.
Very good. You cast the vote and you will do the same in the coming election. Ji.
I read the newspaper daily, I will read the news, and I will do the same.
Very good. You read the English newspaper daily and you will read it today. And you will read it today. Clear? You read the English newspaper now in the evening and you will read it now in the evening. Clear? Thank you very much. Clothes.
Clothes.
Then it will be it. Very good. Very good. Manjad wajada. Very good. No. You don't press the clothes and you won't press them. Ji.
I attend the court, I will attend it.
Very good. You attend the court and you will attend it today. You attend the court and you will attend it today. आप court attend करते हो और आज court attend करोगे. जी, please
I don't watch TV shows and I won't
watch them.
watch them.
Once again.
I don't watch TV shows and I won't shows them.
Watch them.
No संकी हो गया मतलब. Please.
I don't watch
You don't watch TV
and I won't watch them.
and you won't watch it. Ji, please.
I make argument before the court.
Okay.
I will make them.
Very good. You will make arguments before the court and you will make them over there. Clear? Ji.
I don't speak English, I won't speak it.
Please open your booklet right now. Open your booklet now. At page number 7. Page number 7 of your booklet is to be opened. What's that? No, only one page is there. There's one page. Only one page. Oh, all pages are like that. Oh, one page is there, no?
Page number 7 now.
Page 7 is to be opened, please. Page 7. You open it?
Yes, sir.
Page number 7. See, if you see now that there is column number 3. First column is serial number, second column is who, and third one is model. It's not model, it's model. M-O-D-A-N. So if you see, there is a list of 46 models. Page 7 and 8. How many models are there?
There are 26 models in column number 3.
Okay, and no, if you see in full, no, they are 46. Page 7 and 8. Clear? Total models are 46 in your syllabus over here for this course. So you see, there is serial number 9. Serial number 9.
Have to.
Very good. Try to understand, please. We will move forward. Very simple. This is have to, and then there is V1. No, and you know, whenever there is V, after that, this is the list now. I have already told you that whenever there is V, whether it's V1, 2, 3 or 4, after that there is always what, whom, where, when, how and when. And you have studied that there are two categories of who. And we are just touching now the first one. I have. See, when I am hungry, when I am hungry, what does it mean? जब मैं भूखा होता हूँ. When I am sad, जब मैं परेशान होता हूँ. When I am happy. First clear? See, when I am hungry, what have I to do to quench hunger?
I will eat the food.
I will eat food.
No, my question different.
Yeah, I will dine lunch.
Very good. But my question different now.
I have to eat meal.
Very good. Now see, what have I do to do? No, he has to go to the grocery shop. He has to, who be, no? See, to, when he is hungry, he has to
quench his hunger. He has to dine the lunch for
Okay.
quench his hunger.
वेरी गुड सी वेरी सिंपल हम पूरी बात बताते हैं तो मैं बता सकता हूँ कुछ he has to leave the hostel, he has to go to the hotel, he has to buy the bread. That during your stay at Silla over here, during your stay at Silla, what have you to do? What have you to do? What have you to do? आपको क्या क्या करना पड़ता
I
है?
have to ask.
I have to came on the dais
Very good.
and made presentation.
See, you have to come at the dais. You have to deliver a.
Have to plus V1
See,
clear.
clear? Again, what have you? Agib, you too. You can join it right now. You have to speak in English. You have to speak in English. आप इंग्लिश बोलना पड़ती है. Something new, very important.
I have to ask the question.
You have to ask the question.
I have to be here mentally.
Very good, beautiful. See, create. This is the difference, no? I have to be. I have to be. Be is V1. I have to be present. Oh, present mentally. I have to be present mentally. Thank you. Hani, please, very simple question. At Silla, no, I'm sure you are familiar with the environment, no? What have you to do during your stay over here? Silla में अपने stay के दौरान आपको क्या करना पड़ता है? Please.
I have to speak English.
You have to speak English, जी. You have to learn English. नहीं, ये तो बात नहीं है, ये ठीक है जी. You have to speak English. जी आगे बेटा.
I have to realize the power within me.
Excellent, excellent. जी.
I have to ask the question.
ये पंख आप मोशन ऑफ करें. ये मैं दो ही सूरतें हो सकती हैं. साढ़े माशरा पता कैसा? दो दोस्त निकले ना. एक आगे है दूसरा पीछे है जी. पीछे वाला पता क्या कहता है? और थोड़े जो मठ होए. सोच समझी आपने? सोच हमारे माशरे की. थोड़े जो मठ हुई. होना क्या चाहिए था? हाँ, पिछले वाले में होना क्या चाहिए था कि उसने ये कहा दिया जी. लेट हो रहे हैं आए सर जी. सर प्लीज. हाँ, व्हाट है मैं यही से आपसे शुरू करता हूँ जी.
I have to sir make discussion.
You have to make discussion. बोलते जाए मुझे आपको भेजना है.
I have to make discussion.
Okay.
For in order to learn English.
Very good. What else have you to do? What else have you to do? और क्या क्या करना पड़ता है?
I have to come on the dais and make a presentation.
Okay.
Over here, I have to ask question to Mr. Rafi Mujahid.
ठीक. अब ये आपने सोचना है. वो आपको कोर्ट देर लेट हो रही है आप नाम भी तो आप दोनों जा सकते लेकिन आपने सोचना क्या है कि कोर्ट में होते तो क्या क्या करना पड़ता है. इफ यू डोंट डू यू विल बी एट लॉस. इफ यू डोंट डू यू विल बी एट लॉस. ये नुक्ता याद रखना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू डोंट डू इट I have to ask the question means if I don't ask I will be at loss. In the court no I have no to talk to the point. I have to talk to the point. If I don't talk to the point I will be at loss. Points clear? तो ये करना है जी. हाँ जी श्योर.
I have to be regular at Silla.
Very good. You have to be regular.
I have to concentrate. I have to pay more attention.
Very good. You have to pay more concentration. Very good. You have to be more attentive. Very good. जी वाजिद.
I have to come on dice and give the presentation.
Excellent. You have to come at the dais and give the presentation. जी.
I have to be attentive.
Very good. You have to be attentive. जी.
I have to improve my confidence.
Very good. You have to improve your confidence.
I
जी.
have to make discussion at Silla.
Very good. You have to make discussion at Silla. Very good. Make discussion. जी.
I have to read the English.
You have to read English. Very good. English. The English की जान छोड़ दो जी मैंने. मैं truth is wrong in God.
समझ नहीं आई.
English better. The English क्यों? The English होगा the people who are living in England. No. जी.
I have to polish my mind.
Very good. You have to polish your mind. जी.
I have to gain the knowledge.
You have to gain knowledge. जी. You have to share knowledge as well. Share करने से जी. दसो भाई, what have you to do over here during your stay at Silla?
I have to come on dice.
I have to join the company.
हाँ, when you are at home, what have you to do over there at home? शादी शुरू ज़रा मुताद जी आने उन्हें ना करा के सारे जाने बच्चे समाज में सारे नंगे.
I have to take breakfast.
You have to take breakfast. You are very good. You have to help your father. अब्बू की मदद करना पड़ती है जी.
I have to remove the rest of my mind.
Excellent. You have to improve. You have to remove the rest of your mind. Very good.
I have to listen to them.
You have to listen to. Can I be no? Very. I have to listen. No, I have to listen. I have to listen to the people, to the elders, to the youngster attentively. Ji.
I have to take breakfast.
Very good. You have to take breakfast. You have to make the arrangements. No, you have to purchase no different things from the market. You have to ensure no your presence at home. गरज बाहर गड़ पड़े वकील नाल होंदी. And
I have to watch TV.
very good. You have to watch TV. जी.
I have to watch.
You have to watch. You have to read the newspaper. नहीं तब बता सेना पुत्र आम है कि पढ़ी नहीं है ना. You have to read the newspaper. जी.
I have to do my domestic chores.
Very good. I love you, my son. You have to do your domestic chores. आपको घरेलू कामकाज करना पड़ता है. घर के काम करना पड़ते हैं. जी.
I have to read books.
You have to read the books. Very good. नहीं आँख ना बाहर के में हो सी. हाँ
I
जी.
have to enjoy my family.
You have to enjoy. No, you have to enjoy with the family. I have to enjoy with the family. जी.
I have to take rest at home.
Very good. You have to beautiful. You have to take rest at home. Very good. You have to relax your mind at home. जी.
Always take rest.
Always. No, always take so. Okay.
I have to help my father.
You have to.
Help my father.
You have to assist your father in his that shop. जी.
I have to discuss many things with my father.
हाँ, वो भी तो discuss कर लेने मसेरी वाली.
I have to visit the park.
Very good. You have to visit the park. अच्छा, आखिरी बात. As a Muslim, what have you to do? एक मुसलमान की हैसियत से आपको क्या करना पड़ता है?
I have to recite Holy Quran.
You have to recite the Holy Quran. You have to offer the prayers.
I have to.
You have to help the poor.
The needy people.
You have to help the needy people.
I have to be a human being.
Very good. You have to be human being. Very good.
I have to work honestly.
Very good. You have to work honestly. Very good. Beautiful. Ji.
I have to speak truth.
You have to speak the truth. Excellent. Very good. Ji. As a Muslim.
to change the ideas of our society.
Very good. You have to change the ideas of the societies practically. Practically. Do it. Finish. You need not say.
I have to understand the message of Almighty God.
Excellent. I have to understand the message of Almighty Allah का message मुझे समझना पड़ता है. Very good. Very
To
good.
share the message of God Almighty.
Excellent. You have to share the message of God. Very
I
good.
have to work according to Sunnah.
Excellent. You have to work according to Sunnah.
Convey the message of God and Sunnah to my child.
Okay. Very good.
I have-
Simple. Very good.
I have to separate peace in society.
Spread peace. Very good. Ensure. एक स्टूडेंट जो बोर्ड टॉप करता है जी. There is a student who stands first in the board, who wins gold medal. No, what has that student to do to achieve that target?
Such
Clear?
student has to work smart.
Very good. I love you, brother Riaz. No, such student has to work smartly. जी, बोलो भाई.
Student have to work very hard.
He or she has to. अच्छा, he कर लेते हैं. Sorry for she. हाँ जी. He has to work smartly. He has to work hard.
He has to work regularly.
He has to work regularly. लगता दो.
Frankly speaking, अगर she से शुरू करते हैं तो ज़्यादा जल्दी फिक्रे बनते
अच्छा चलो जी she has to. वैसे आज की वो टॉपर वो she है जी 504 वाली. she है जी. हाँ जी चलो जी she has to.
She has to avoid the love affair.
She has to avoid love affair. तो ये लोग कौन है? ये सिद्ध बने तो गाली ठीक है. पहले मर्दन हुक्म है. सूरह नूर जाकर पढ़ ले. इसमें सबसे पहले हुक्म किससे है? मर्दों को. सूरह नूर वर्स नंबर 30. कुल लिल मोमिनीन यगुद्दू मिन अबसारिहिम व याहफज़ू फुरूजहुम. उसके अगली आयत में कुल लिल मोमिनात. मर्दन पहले भाई जी. मर्द से देवने औरतों से देवने सारे. हाँ जी कोशिश करे औरत भी ना करे ख्वातीन करे. हाँ जी.
She has to work more attentively.
She has to work more attentively. जी.
She has to be determined.
Very good. She has to be determined. She has to be well focused. Very good. No. She has to be present-minded. Very good.
Be in love with this.
Very good. She has to be in love with her work. Love you, my son. यार कसम होंदा ना कभी काश थोड़ी बदल सकती तो होगा ना कोई ना कुछ जी.
She has to cook the food.
She has to cook food. अच्छा मेडल एंड वास्ते हो. भाई साहब कितने पे हो? मेडल का वो कुकिंग के अंदर है.
आर्ट्स में होगी.
है जी ब्राह्मण ਇਹ ਜੇ ਬਰਾ ਜਣੇ ਜਾਂ ਹੋਵਨ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੈ ਪਿਓ ਹੋਵਨ ਮੰਨ ਗਿਆ ਜੀ ਬੱਦੀ ਸਾਈਡ ਕੀ ਕਰੇ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਪੜ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਕਰਾ ਦੇ ਕੁਕਿੰਗ ਕਰਨ 24 ਘੰਟੇ
She has to learn and understand attentively.
Excellent. She has to learn attentively. She has to understand attentively. She has to comprehend attentively. Clear? She has to ask attentively. She has to answer attentively. She has to consult the leverage attentively. Ji.
She has to compromise.
She has to do compromise. Or she has to compromise on what? She has to compromise on her wishes, her desires, her recreational activities sometime. But I support those people who go for these activities. मैं भी दूंगा यार हम भी साथ recreational activities खेलना घूमना फिरना दौड़े ते जाना स्टडी टूर ते जाना सैर सपाटे करना recreational activity नॉर्मल इंसान करता ना साढ़े कोले बंदा किताब ले जाएगा मुझे नो जी she has to very good she has to be more concerned with the studies very good she has to be more interested in her studies she has to be more focused सारे होंगे लेकिन she is more focused that's why no she is no the medalist
She has to be very strong minded.
very she has to be she has to be strong minded ji
She has to do her daily work.
very good she has to do her daily work very simple keep it simple do daily work daily no get it done daily simple don't let it be piled up ji
She has to be regular.
she has to be regular punctual ji
She has to read the books.
she has to read the books very good no she has to cram Pakistani Nizam Talim she has to cram no that lengthy answers bas
She has to learn the sila.
अल्लाह करे अल्लाह लेकिन वो यार मैं ऐसे भागता हूँ ये जो हमारे डरते वाले सिस्टम में तो ना मैं भागता हूँ कसम से वो तकलीफ होती है एक जुमला वो दोबारा आ जाए मैं कहता हूँ ये क्या जी
She has to work smart.
very good she has to work smartly better she has to work smartly or she has to do smart work very good जी
She has to work day and night.
she has to do work day and night very good
She has to get good job.
very good अच्छा
समझ नहीं सकते भाई
नहीं वो हो गया आपस की बात है मुझे क्या क्या करना पड़ता है यार ये सब कुछ इसे टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट हैव आई टू डू मुझे क्या क्या करना पड़ता है टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड आप जो बनाइए जाइए आप लेट हो बहुत लेट हो गए
Sir, I don't understand your question.
मुझे क्या क्या करना पड़ता है टू मेक दीज पीपल अंडरस्टैंड
You have to work hard to make the arguments.
वेरी गुड थैंक यू वेरी मच आप लेट हो रहे हैं बल्कि लेट हो गए आपने भी जाना है हाँ नहीं आपने भी जाना है जी जल्दी 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 आप नहीं वो जाती जी प्लीज
You have to make discussion with the
I have to make discussion प्लीज जो होते जा रहे हैं जाते जाए जी
You have to get up early in the morning.
I have to get up early in the morning जी
You have to clear the concept.
I have to clear the concept जो जाना चाह रहे हो जा रहे हैं ड्यूटी आपके बैठ में मुझे पता नहीं चलता I have to explore your ideas
You have to encourage the student.
I have to encourage the students जी
You have to understand the students.
very good I have to understand no the student the level of the student beautiful the area of interest of the student very good जी
You have to answer question.
I have to ask the questions. I have to ask the question. No, I have to listen to the answers. Very good.
You
जी.
have your knowledge.
You have to instill knowledge in our mind.
Excellent. I have to instill thoughts, knowledge, no, in your mind. जी.
You have your knowledge.
I have to write different things, different formats, words on the whiteboard. जी आके तुसी भी जो बोलो यार मतलब दोन बुलान का मतलब ये तो ना नहीं वो तो है लेकिन ऐसे कंट्रीब्यूट करो जी.
So you have to record the.
I have to record the session, the class. जी.
You have to polish us.
Very good. I have to polish the student. That's duty of mine. No, जी. If I can.
You have to simply satisfy your student.
Very good. Absolutely right. जी.
You have to give knowledge us.
Okay.
You have to keep mic.
I have to very good. I have to hold, not keep. I have to hold the mic. Very good.
You have to pave the path towards the success.
Excellent, excellent. I have to pave the path towards success. Oh, Ji.
You have to spread the knowledge.
Thank you.
You have to come on the dais daily.
Thank you. So nice of you. God bless you. Very.